Your business relies on personal protective equipment. It's vital for safety, but also a constant drain on your budget. But what if that expense could be transformed? One manufacturing plant saved $16,500 in a single year by rethinking its PPE. This hidden opportunity exists because the scale of PPE waste is staggering. Globally, we discard billions of gloves and masks every month. And that plastic waste doesn't just disappear. A single mask can haunt our planet for up to 450 years. So how do you turn this 450-year problem into a six-figure opportunity? We'll show you how professional recycling creates savings and ensures safety. Before we get to the solution, let's be clear about the full scope of the problem. The consequences of inaction go far beyond the landfill. Improperly disposed PPE chokes our waterways. It entangles and harms wildlife. It breaks down into pervasive microplastics. The carbon footprint is immense. In just 6 months, PPE in England's health sector alone generated over 1,000 tons of CO2. This flood of waste is overwhelming our already burdened landfill systems. It is an unsustainable model, and you can't just toss it in the company's recycling bin. Due to contamination risk, single-use PPE ruins standard recycling streams. This creates a dilemma. It's an environmental hazard, but it can't be recycled conventionally. So, if standard recycling isn't the answer, what is? The answer is in specialized services that use advanced processes for both cleaning and material recovery. This is sophisticated decontamination. For a safety manager, reused can sound risky. That's why the technology is critical. Processes like low-temperature plasma can achieve a 99.99% viral removal rate. Critically, these advanced methods are designed to be non-destructive. They sterilize the PPE without degrading its filtration effectiveness. What about items that can't be reworn? Specialized facilities use processes like thermal depolymerization to break plastics into their original components. This approach has a massive impact on your carbon footprint. Recycling PPE can significantly cut CO2 emissions compared to landfilling. The technology is impressive, and the safety is validated. But what does this look like in practice for a real business? Let's go back to that $16,500 in annual savings. How is that number possible? It's simple math. Professional laundering and decontamination costs are about 80% less than constantly purchasing new items. The value extends beyond direct savings. Programs can turn used PPE into durable goods like park benches. Waste is transformed into an asset. And this is a global movement. In India, a mask-to-brick project shows the same principle at work. This is a proven, scalable concept. These programs prove the model works today. But the entire industry is shifting, making this strategy even more important for the future. The future of PPE is reusable. Across manufacturing and healthcare, the trend is moving away from a disposable mindset. Material science is catching up. New biodegradable nitrile gloves can decompose in just a few years, not 100. Governments are also getting involved. They're creating stricter regulations but also offering grants and tax incentives for sustainable practices. Your customers and stakeholders are watching. A verifiable commitment to sustainability improves brand reputation and builds trust. We've seen the financial, environmental, technological, and regulatory forces at play. How does a company combine these into one cohesive strategy? The answer is by adopting the circular economy. It's a model where you stop thinking about waste and start thinking about resources. In this model, the $16,500 in savings is a direct result of solving the 450-year decomposition problem. Profit and sustainability align. Adopting advanced cleaning and recycling tech doesn't just cut costs. It supports a new industry, creates green jobs, and positions your company as a leader. This isn't just a recycling program, it's a complete business system. It optimizes finances, guards against future regulation, and builds brand value. The case is clear. We're facing a massive waste crisis, but within it lies a powerful opportunity for significant cost savings and guaranteed safety. For any business that uses large volumes of PPE, a professional recycling and reuse program is now a core strategic and financial imperative. Companies like Libra Industries are at the forefront of this transformation, providing the expertise to manage PPE value safely and effectively. Stop seeing your PPE as a disposable cost. Start seeing it as a reusable asset. Reduce your waste, increase your savings, and lead your industry.